I would like to call your attention to the soundtrack for The New Land. The New Land is one of those short films we kind of tossed together, mostly as an experiment for mixing stock footage with live action that we shot, and also a little tribute to the old westerns, because everyone loves old westerns, old black and white westerns. Anyhow, so I told my brother I want a song, a theme for the western, make it kind of like Bernstein, you know, he looks those western themes. Did he write the Magnificent Seven or some of those? Katie Elder, I love that song. Anyway, so I tell him, write me a western theme along the lines of Bernstein. So he does it, and it's totally awesome. So I just felt that his piece of music deserves a special video all to itself. So without further ado, here it is. So I hope you've enjoyed this piece of music, and like I said, it's pretty awesome, you know, to have someone in the family. You just tell them, write this like this, and it is so. So we need to make our brains work a little more, and we can do great things. I think most of us hardly scratch the surface of what our brains are capable of. So it's really thrilling to say, I will do this, and it is so.